Hi guys, a warm welcome to each and everyone to my channel. Though the corona pandemic is still now going on, not only in our country but all over the world, and we are being so much stressed out and so much tensed, and some of the people cannot get back to their work in a proper way. And what about the freshers? The freshers have passed their life still seeing some Netflix, some web series and net surfing, isn't it? But I am here for describing you a productivity that is also depending upon some internet, and that is basically work from home job. And I am here for describing you that opportunity. Not only the graduate student, not only the BTech students can do this. This is also for the any housewife, anybody leave their job, and anybody who is being now stay at home mom. So basically this is the part-time or freelancing work. Actually this is the term freelancing. Okay, so one of the best freelancing sites at ever is People Per Hour. As the name described, that pass your 1 hour and earn a handsome money. So who can apply in this case? Only not only the graduate, it is also open for class 12, class 10 and housewives, as well as some workers who have passed their career in another field but may want to earn some pocket money. He also busy with her career in work from home job through People Per Hour. So if you are interested how to apply and what type of work is going on in this website, then you have to see my videos till the end. And before going to this, please click the bell icon and click the subscription box in my channel, so you never miss the updates from Udita's classroom. And if you follow the playlist, you can see job notification where you can get some government and private jobs notification, and also online money earning methods, and also you can go with classroom where you can get some engineering tutorial, and as well as in case of discussion you can get tips and tricks how to crack exam. So if you Google the site, then you can go to the dashboard on the particular site, and where you can get some online jobs like data entry, captcha solving, typing job, and transcription job, translation job, and as well as some content writing job. And how the sign up process will be goes on, that is, you have to first click the subscription box and click you have to first click sign up. So you have to the 5 steps, that is, first one is tell us about yourself, second one select your skills, third is add your reference, fourth one is the set your on-site preferences, and number 5 is the personalize your applications. So fill these 5 steps in a proper way so that you must be acceptable in any field of work, and depending upon your skills they will decide what type of work you have to do. One thing is that in your first freshers level you have to earn $10 to $30 per hour, but when you are become experienced in this site, they will provide you more money and your income is going to be higher. So by writing People Per Hour in Google, we can find out this type of interface in front of our laptop screen, and where you can get start living your work dream, and where this is the People Per Hour site, and where you can find out these two options, that is, I want to work as freelancer and I want to hire a freelancer. But as because this is the based on the job notification and about the freelancing job, so definitely I am going with I want to work as freelancer. Okay, and clicking this, you have to fill up this form, first name, last name, email address, and a valid password, and then you have to complete your sign up process. Now coming back to the dashboard, where you can see that is how it works. So coming to this point, that is by clicking here, there are lots of procedure you can find out, that post a project. If you want, you must post some project here also, and discover some incredible freelancers here, uncover new ways to grow your business, and meet project streams. So here definitely you can get some review, you may propose some review, communicate with some other freelancer and also freelancing site, and pay freelancer with a tap. This is the how it works. This is the process of the chain system of this people per hour. But our main motto is to search some works. So by clicking search option, we can find out here, that is search offers, search freelancers, and search project. So coming to search offers, by clicking here, we can find out lots of projects that must be implemented here by some renamed companies. Okay, and they must mention here some pay, that is euro 45, euro 40, or $20, euro 75, as like as $10 to $55 you may earn from this website, and by clicking this work, by applying this work, this is the all the offers you may select here. Now come here, search freelancers. If you have any requirement of freelancers, or you may work as the freelancers, you can get here some freelancers profile, which if you want how to make the profile, please write in my comment section below. I will definitely make the another video that based on the preparing some freelancing profile in people per hour and other websites. Okay, so here we can get, and there you must select or choose the ratings, that is 4.9, and the fixed rate is mentioned here. This is the freelancers profile, you can check, and if you can hire, you can definitely contact with them. Okay, but now here come with some project, search project, that is on which you can work. So go to this project, that is like translating content from Spanish to English. If you know the English, you have to translate the Spanish to the English, and for you must click here that you have to send the proposal, and per hour you have to earn this euro 22 euro. Now come here, next is that this is some another offers. Just check and send proposal, select your price, that is also some prices must be mentioned previously, that is the fixed price, and okay, so grab this opportunity. I think it is a very good opportunity. You have to go with this site, and this is a very renownable and obviously a truthful site, and go join this site and apply for
this
the
video is quite
work
helpful
from
to
home career.
that person who are eagerly awaiting for starting their career as and grab some opportunity and start their career in best of the work from home job, isn't it? So in from the student to the stay-at-home mom, all of you are eligible for this type of work and are accepted people per hour website. So don't waste time, just sign up and also start your career as a freelancer. So guys, if this content and another previous content is helpful to you, then please like my channel and subscribe my channel and keep supporting my channel. If you go to share this content more and more, then all of the people will be helpful by start work from home career. So keep watching my channel and keep supporting my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Take care. Goodbye.